What is up, squad? Today we are going to be talking about 5 common mistakes that you may be making which is preventing you from losing weight. But before we get into that, let's kick the episode off with the journal entry prompt of the day. Have your pens at the ready. The prompt is, the most mischievous thing I have done recently was. Now for me, it has to be scaring Viv at every opportunity I get, crawling down the hallway like something out of The Exorcist, switching off the lights directly from the fuse box. What about you? Or are you just a well-behaved adult? Let me know in the comment box. Anyway, back to the 5 common mistakes that we may be making when it comes to weight loss. Mistake number 1, you're eating too much or too little. Now, eating too much is a given. If we overeat, we're not gonna lose weight. But undereating is a different story altogether. It slows down our metabolism, leads to muscle loss, changes the way that our body utilizes energy, and signals to our body to conserve and store as much energy, fat, as possible. Now imagine on top of this low energy, asking your body to work out. It's not gonna respond the way that you want it to respond. In fact, it's gonna do everything chemically possible to prevent itself from breaking down. Mistake number 2, you are eating more fats and sugars than you realize. Now, just a quick reminder, there are 4 calories per gram of carbohydrate, 4 calories per gram of protein, and 9 calories per gram of fat. Now, almost all of our favorite snacks happen to be either high in fat or high in sugars. And assuming you've replaced those snacks with healthier alternatives, fruits, nuts, seeds, avocados, olives, just remember, these healthy alternatives can still be high in sugars and fats. So be mindful of what it is that you're putting on your plate. That's mistake number 2. Mistake number 3, exercising too much. Now, we all know exercise can become addictive, but when it's done too much, it can lead to stress. And stress has a direct impact on our hormones, in particular imbalances. And imbalanced hormones can lead to things such as increased cortisol, which studies have shown can link to fat storage around the stomach. So please hold up on all the burpees. I know we love them, but take a chill pill. Don't exercise too much. Rest is important. Mistake number 4. I'm guilty of this, overestimating the number of calories we have burned. Now, just putting it out there, your Apple Watch, your Fitbit, the machines, these are not that accurate at telling you how many calories you've burned, but they are good guides. In fact, the closest you're gonna get to accuracy is by wearing a heart rate monitor around your chest, as it's very close to your heartbeat. That being said, when we overestimate how many calories we've burnt, we tend to make more room for the extra calories of food that we don't actually need. So please, don't overestimate. If anything, underestimate. It's not that much better, but it is better. 5, mistake number 5, liquid calories. Fruit juices, smoothies, sodas, these tend to be high in sugars, and more often than not, they don't leave us feeling very satisfied, and it leaves some of us, me in particular, hungry afterwards. Look, a homemade smoothie can take you from 200 calories right up to 500 calories just by adding an avocado and some chia seeds. So you need to be mindful of what you're drinking and those calories that you're consuming through liquid. Add them all together. Those are 5 common mistakes that you may be making, which is preventing you from losing weight. And if you're making any of those mistakes, cut it out and watch the results flow in. Peace. I just realized I forgot to sign off this vlog. You can do it for me.
Okay, so make sure to give this vlog a big thumbs up, especially if you really appreciate Mr. Muscle's wise words of wisdom. He's absolutely awesome. He'll be back tomorrow with another one, and you may see me as well. So have an awesome day, evening, night, whatever you are doing or whatever time of day it is. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.